Salam everyone, welcome to this Quranic Arabic course where we're only focusing on Quranic Arabic. We're not delving that deep into all the Arabic grammar and rules, and a lot of you have been finding that really helpful, especially if traditional Arabic learning has not helped you understand the Quran. So if you're new to the channel, I do recommend watching the playlist 1 where we do Surah Mu'minun because that covers a lot of basics, and then you can catch up on these videos. And if you're a returning subscriber and you're finding these really helpful, you can actually support the channel by liking and commenting on these videos and sharing them with your friends and family. The more you like and comment, the more YouTube is going to share these videos with others, so you'll actually help spread these lessons, and inshallah you'll help benefit other people. So do engage with us. Thank you, and Jazakallah khair. Then 66.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط فأنى يبصرون. And if we had willed, لطمسنا على أعينهم. لطمسنا على أعينهم. I don't necessarily know or remember what لطمسنا means, but I think it's something because it's a على أعينهم, so we could have certainly made them blind, sort of is the implication.
Very good.
فاستبقوا الصراط. So they would like race on the path. So I guess they'd be sort of like rushing on the path kind of thing. فأنا يبصرون. So that يبصرون فأنا يبصرون. إنا so that إنا يبصرون. So I guess they'd be like rushing or racing so that they would see, like in an attempt to see, maybe there's implication.
So for Anna is like a question of how then يبصرون would they see. And this فاستبقوا الصراط is it's implying that they would race to try and find the path, but they would be unable to because their eyes. So this here translates it as they would struggle to find the path. And then فأنا يبصرون, then how would they find it, etc.
Okay.
Yeah.
ولو نشاء.
So just wanted to point out, like, even if we don't know لطمسنا, etc., then we can still understand the meaning. And also here, فاستبقوا الصراط, something about the path. So you can imagine, okay, if there's something on their eyes, they're struggling to find the path, and it also says, how would they then see?
Okay. ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون. And if we had willed لمسخناهم على مكانتهم. So مكانته على مكانتهم is saying like in place, like where basically ala over like where they are. So like I don't know masakhnahum either, but I think it's like we could have made them stand in one place, or like maybe the implication is kind of immobilized them.
That's what I thought as well, but here it's translated as transfigured. And then فما استطاعوا.
فما استطاعوا مضيا ولا يرجعون. So they would not be able to مضيا. Don't remember مضيا, but I assume it might be the opposite of yarji'un. So like they wouldn't be able to return or do the opposite of returning, which is, I don't know, go in
forward. Yeah, that's perfect. And that's exactly, you've just shown what kind of skill we want you guys to develop, which is that you can guess based on a lot of things what the verse is saying, even if you don't know the actual word. So like here, wala, so fama and then wala, it's like neither this nor that. And so that's how you guessed it was the opposite, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's really nice. Okay. 68.
Okay. ومن نعمره ننكسه في الخلق أفلا يعقلون. And I know what this verse means. Let me see if I remember what the like specific words are. ننكسه في الخلق.
Although, no, tell me what
Yes.
do you think the verse means first, because that's what
So
we care about more.
yeah, so it's saying that whoever we allow to age, we ننكسه في الخلق, we reverse them in creation. So do they not think?
Exactly. And then, because Noar Mirhu, it's like from Umr, which means years or life, Umr, or
Oh,
how
really?
old are you, etc. So Noamir is to add years to some. They're like the woman who we give more years to. So then
Okay.
Nun is the we, and then Umr, and then who. The Nunakis who is probably this the only time this is used in the Quran. But fil khalq, will they not understand?
Okay. Is Umar very like common then?
You'll see it some places, like, but it's also in like modern day Arabic. Like Kamar
Okay.
means what's your age?
Oh, okay.
Mm.
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين. Um, وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له. So that sort of means that علمنا, we did not teach him شعر,
Sure. And shar.
poetry,
Yeah.
because like الشعراء is
Mm.
like, yeah, so we did not teach him poetry.
Mm.
وما ينبغي له, and that would not be befitting, because it was a similar thing we had in another ayah when we was talking about like والشمس ينبغي له or something.
Exactly. Good job. Yeah.
إن هو إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين. And then I guess I remember you were saying when you have things like ma plus illa or in plus illa, it's like not except.
Yeah.
So this is not but a reminder
Mm-hmm.
and a clear Quran.
Very good. Then.
لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين. لينذر, like in order to, or like just to basically warn man kana, to warn the one who has life, like who is alive. ويحق القول, and the word is like coming true, like it's like unto,
To make true.
yeah, the
Muslim
word.
yunzira and
Mhm,
wayahiq. So you know the li, which is two. So
mhm,
it's for liyunzira, but it's also for wayahiq. It's so that and to something and to haq, to make true the word against the disbelievers. And remember what I said, what this implies, like making true or justifying the word against. Or, the word of God had already preceded,
mhm,
which was, what was it? Uh, Sometimes it's قد حق القول, that, and also
mhm.
um, preceded سبق القول, something like,
Yeah, I think so. Mhm,
yeah, against the disbelievers, which means that their decree was just coming true. Al-qawl here means the punishment and the decree of punishment. So yahiq al-qawl,
mhm,
make true or to prove it right, the decree of God against the kafirin, disbelievers.
mhm.
Makes sense. So this goes with the previous verse, like this isn't but a reminder and a clear Quran to do this and this.
Mhm.
Okay. 71. Ooh, I think we're coming quite close to the end. Oh no, not yet. Actually, not yet.
أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون. And did they not see that we have created for them from what their hands did not make of cattle?
No. مما عملت
Oh,
أيدينا.
oh,
From what?
مما عملت, from what their hands.
No, أيدينا. Our
Oh,
hand.
our hands. Wait,
Yeah.
okay, so 1 second.
Mm.
مما عملت. Oh, from what?
Mm.
Okay, because I think when I say what not, then there isn't an extra. There's an extra negation then.
Mm.
From what our hands have made.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. From what our hands have made of cattle,
Mm-hmm.
so they ride upon it.
No. Malikun.
No, Malik. To be a Malik is okay. That's still like they own the cattle.
Exactly. So that we made them and then they become their owners.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. I think you were confusing with tuhmalun, which is riding on them.
Yeah, or like a rakiba or something similar to. Does that mean right?
Yeah. Rakiba is like to board something. So rakiba, for
Okay.
example, boarding the ship.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. So that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Let me know how you found the lesson. And if you've got any questions, also share with your friends and family so that they can also benefit. And remember us in your prayers. Keep revising. Assalamu alaikum.